I know you are here because you want to know how to look younger using coffee and Vaseline. You want to know how to have a clear, beautiful skin with no makeup using coffee and Vaseline, of course. So you just have to continue washing. Though I'm going to add some other ingredients to make a paste with it so that it can work better. So just stay tuned. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty tips using natural treatments, using natural ingredients you can find around you to make sure you have the best skin. No blemishes, no side effects. You will love the result. So that when you go out there with no makeup, your skin will be looking so flawless, younger, and beautiful. In case you are new here, please consider subscribing if you love what I share. Also like and share this video. Please make sure you like this video, okay? May God bless you. Alright, so there's also a notification bell, a bell beside the subscribe button. Please make sure you tap it on, okay? So that whenever I upload videos, you get to see it and come and watch. Alright, so here is coffee. As you can see, this treatment is having a coffee color. And all these foods that we eat, many of them have very good antioxidants, many good skin benefits that will help you greatly to ensure you have great results. Like if you have blemishes, this particular treatment will help you. So coffee is a very good antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage, that always make your skin to look dull, that always make you to look older than your age. It exfoliates the skin to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal a bright, uniform skin that glows. All your skin will be uniform, flawless, and beautiful. So if you are dark skin, light skin, caramel, chocolate, you can make use of this treatment because there is no side effect. It doesn't lighten. Natural remedies are mild, like it's just going to glow your skin. You see your skin looking flawlessly beautiful. Another benefit of coffee is that it helps to get rid of this dark under eye circle. It helps to firm the skin if you have saggy skin, like firming it up to make you appear more youthful. So the next one is sugar. So in this case, you can make use of white or brown sugar. They are very good. White sugar is more better for those that have stubborn skin. Like creams are not working for you, nothing is penetrating into your skin, nothing is working. Use it for those stubborn roughness. So in case you have sensitive skin, you can go on and make use of brown sugar. Brown sugar is more mild, like very gentle, suits all skin type anyway, but more better for those that have sensitive skin, okay? But they all yield good results, the same result. So what it does is to exfoliate your skin to reveal a bright, uniform skin, so that when you apply your facial cream, your body cream, your skincare products, your skin will just be accepting it and be working better. Your skin will just be glowing and glowing and glowing. Thanks to the alpha hydroxyl acid in sugar that helps to keep your skin together, firming and glowing. So the next one is turmeric. When it comes to glowing the skin, when it comes to correcting pigmentations, blemishes, think of turmeric. I love turmeric a lot because sometimes my face gets darker due to stress, and you know, the face is like our mirror. Applying it on the skin will ensure your skin is just looking so flawless. Even with no makeup, it doesn't lighten. What it does is just to brighten your skin. But in case you are a very dark skin person, you can just omit it, like it's not a must, or you can just add a little into your treatment just to glow. Alright, so another benefit of turmeric is to fade away dark spots. Not so fast, but with consistency, it will be reducing it gradually until there are no dark spots anymore. I love it a lot because it glows my skin. Like you can apply it all over your body to keep your skin uniform and flawless. So the next one, which is the last one, is Vaseline. So I'm going to tell you the right time to add Vaseline. When it's time, I will tell you the measurements. Okay, I added 1 tablespoon of coffee. Yes, just 1 tablespoon. Then I added 1 tablespoon of sugar, any sugar. Then I added a pinch of turmeric. I don't really want to lighten or brighten like further. I just want to glow my skin. So as you can see, there's no turmeric color in this, just a little. It's not really showing, just to glow my skin like I told you earlier. All right, so after adding these 3 ingredients, what you will do, is to mix together. Of course, they are all not in a liquid form. What you have to do is to add rose water, just a little, and mix. Little rose water and mix. Rose water glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it keeps the skin more youthful, it controls so much oil on the skin, like keeping your skin normal. There are lots of benefits of rose water. I don't have it right here, but I'm just telling you to use it. But in case you don't have rose water, you can make use of a plain clean water. Okay, so yes, just mix together until it forms the way it's supposed to be, not watery and not thick. So after mixing, it's time to show you how to apply it on the skin. Make sure there are no makeups or deads, because makeups are also deads. Okay, they can make this treatment not to penetrate well into your skin and work better. So I don't have makeup. I've washed off all deads. My face is naked. Like when I mean naked, it's just with no deads, with no oil. So ensure you damp your face once again, so that it will be a little wet before you apply this treatment. Do not apply facial mask or facial scrub on a dry skin. Make sure you damp it with wetness. Alright, so I'm going to show you right now how to apply this treatment for best results. So remember, this treatment is also for under eye. Very mild for all skin types and complexion. Just go and apply it all over. Yes, you will just love the good benefits of this awesome treatment. The ingredients are awesome, purely natural. Go on and try it and leave your comments down there. Okay, just tell me how it goes. Of course, it's going to go well. So in case you don't have a specific skincare products, I have very good ones. As you can see, I'm displaying it for you to see. Even very good supplements. Just contact us through that WhatsApp and I will give you a very good skincare like skincare products and good supplement that will glow your skin, that will nourish you from the inside. You will just be looking more younger and younger every day. People will be telling you, oh, why are you looking this like 3 times younger than your age? You just tell them that it's Pamela. So just apply all over. Apply on your neck, like all over your skin. So in case you want to apply all over your body, you have to double the ingredients, please, because this quantity will not be enough. So you just have to leave it on for 20 minutes. As it's drying, you'll be noticing the tightening effect. That is to show you that it's time to rinse it out. Okay, so I'll leave it on. I'll be right back. Okay, so just make sure you rinse it out using only water, but you can use a soap to rinse it out if you feel like. But I just love the natural way of rinsing it out without using soap. So after rinsing it out, you just have to apply a moisturizer. This is the time for you to apply your Vaseline in case you have severe dry skin. That is why I said Vaseline. So I have an oily skin. I don't usually apply it everywhere, but sometimes my face can be dry due to weather. Like now in this country, the weather is so dry, so I don't joke with applying Vaseline on my lips, keeping my lips moisturized and not dried out. So in case you have other skin type, like not oily skin, just go on and apply this Vaseline all over in upward direction. So this is going to like firm your skin, protect your skin against severe dryness. You know, when your skin is always dry, you are likely to develop wrinkles. So also take care of your neck. But in case you don't want to use Vaseline, you can apply a very good skincare product, your light moisturizer, to lock in moisture. Please, anytime you make use of a facial mask or facial scrub, ensure you don't miss your moisturizer so that your skin will not be dried out. So just follow the instructions. Make sure you apply these facial masks 3 times weekly to get younger skin. If you want to get rid of blemishes, apply every day if you want. Very natural and safe to use every day for best result. Alright, so I'm going to leave you now and make sure you follow the instructions to get better skin. Contact us for your skincare products and supplements. I'm all there for you. Okay, through that WhatsApp. Alright, thank me later. I'm going to leave you now and I'll see you next time.